Discover the charm of 367 South Sage Avenue, a delightful home nestled on a corner lot, perfectly positioned near schools, shopping centers, and the highway for easy commuting. This residence boasts spacious bedrooms and features a large laundry room, a formal dining room, a cozy living room, and a welcoming den ideal for gatherings and family moments. Enjoy the convenience of covered parking at the rear and relax on the porches that grace both the front and back of the house. This property may be subject to the Alabama one-year right of redemption. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Contact your favorite realtor for a personal tour today and step into your future home. Call me, Kelly Cummings, at 251-331-9300 to schedule a tour and for all your real estate needs.